And Sophie Adno showing great displays is what Jack Hathaway is communicating down to the teams on the ground, the metal oxide canister that they will install in the back of the spacesuits of Jessica Meir and Anil Menon.
Okay. And Sophie's going to unlatch Jessica's ETA and rotate her forward so she's got access.
With Jessica first and now Anil as they position him. Feet to head is the positioning inside of the crew lock as Jack Hathaway moving some of the equipment necessary for today's spacewalk to allow Anil Menon to float his way in and join the International Space Station commander. Stripes.
On your BRT taped towards your head, and you can use an adjustable from your mini workstation as a load alleviating strap as desired for translation.
You want copies? And out of the way.
We copy the tether config, and that EV1 has the cable bag. EV2 for met rate, we would like you to pause a couple minutes in the airlock before egressing.
Copies, pause.
That is NASA astronaut Anil Menon with the cable bag attached to his left, currently translating along the truss of the International Space Station, where he will pick up some additional equipment necessary for today's spacewalk.
Once we show good met rates, we'll get you moving.
Who wants to help, Jessica? Let's see when we're ready to pause, and we'll make a call then. Okay. Popping my visor.
And for Anil Menon, just off to her right-hand side.
We're ready for you to translate to WIF 31 to retrieve the APFR. So fair lead on handrail 2066. And you're moving zenith on the outboard side of the trunnion pin.
This outboard side is key, and I'm headed to WIF 31, the opposite side. Copy fair lead 2066.
One hour and 25 minutes into today's U.S. Spacewalk 96, featuring NASA astronaut Jessica Meir operating to the right side of your screen, and Anil Menon floating towards the...
Oh, so close. I got it.
Okay, you got it.
Control.
You've got control. And he'll install center pad on Mast canister with the arrow pointing towards the array. And then we see you working to...
Stephanie, can you confirm WIF X?
Yes, WIF X extension is 1. Full settings are 6 Golf 1.
I can reach it. I think.
BRT handrail.
I can get that to you.
Okay.
Go ahead, Stephanie.
just suggested handrail for the BRT 2082. And when you're ready, the PGT settings for the strut bag PGT.
Turns on M2.
M2, 2 turns.
Turns on M3. Back.
Okay.
So spin back towards the Mast canister with your legs because your stress is right next to that, the part that sticks out of all those connectors.
I'm going to rotate this way. Is that okay?
Which way?
Seat towards inboard.
A-frame.
Like this.
A-frame.
Okay.
The 5-hour mark of today's spacewalk, U.S. Spacewalk 96, with NASA astronauts Jessica Meir and Anil Menon. That is Meir on your left from our vantage point, upside down, with Menon also to her right.
Jessica, thanks for the scan.
As the two continue to work through the IROSA cable routing on the 3B Mast canister. Together, over these past 5 hours, these two have built an entire modification structure to add onto that 3B modification canister.
And that's affirmed. We'd like Anil to head back with the cable bag. We'll have you stow the WIFX on the port CETA cart. We are forgoing the APFR work at ESP2 for today. And after you stow the WIFX, we'll have you perform the slingshot cleanup.
See. I'm under the starboard cart now. I see our others.
I'm under the port. I'm just clearing it now.
Copy EV1, EV2.
And that is Anil Menon that has made his way back to the Quest airlock and has opened up the thermal cover. Hot on this trail is Jessica Meir, who just put away the articulating first one through the hatchway is NASA astronaut Anil Menon, who arrived and returned to the Quest airlock first. Jessica Meir will shortly join him as Jack Hathaway and Sophie Adno positioning